When the horn sleeve of the mixer broke, the horn sleeve of the mixer is not installed properly, or if the speaker sleeve is forgotten to be installed, will cause water leak out from here. There is a water pipe connected here. Then it will leak all the way from the position of the water pipe to the ground. So we need to check the horn sleeve of the mixer. There is another place. It will also leak water here. Is the flange. This is the flange. The flange are connected to the freezer. If there is a gap in this position, will cause the ice cream or water to leak out. It will also leak water here. So we not only need to check the horn sleeve, also need to check this position. Check if any leaks here. There is another location that needs to be checked. The hose clamp. There is a discharge pipe here. Connection between discharge pipe and flange. To check if this position is properly installed, or check if the hose clamp is get loose.